Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting basics out of the way quickly. Make sure both devices are charged above 50% and sit within 1 meter. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, turn off airplane mode, then confirm you're signed into iCloud with 2-factor enabled. Once done, open the Watch app and look for the Create New Watch or Pair prompt. If the watch shows an old pairing, unpair it now. This removes old links and creates a clean state for pairing. Once the watch is unpaired or erased, force restart it by holding the side and digital crown until you see the Apple logo. Then go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset, right arrow Erase all content and settings to ensure a fresh start. On the iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Use the camera alignment first or enter the manual code if needed. Make sure VPNs, MDM, or corporate profiles are off, and prefer a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for smoother device discovery and faster data restore. Now complete the on-screen flow. Choose Restore from Backup or Set up as New, sign into your Apple ID when prompted, and allow location and Bluetooth. Watch the sync progress. It can take minutes for apps and health data to populate, so remain patient. Test notifications, Apple Pay, and a simple call to confirm connectivity. If pairing fails repeatedly, reset network settings on the iPhone or attempt pairing with a different iPhone. This isolates iPhone network or account issues and is the single most effective troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.